Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today we're bringing you an in-depth review of one of the most futuristic and luxurious motorhomes ever built. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome. A perfect fusion of modern design, advanced technology, and high-end comfort. This machine is changing the way we think about travel from the moment you see it. The sleek Scandinavian design stands out. It has a smooth aerodynamic shape with signature Volvo LED matrix headlights, a panoramic windshield, and adaptive solar roof panels that charge your onboard battery systems even while parked. It rides on oversized alloy wheels and has an air suspension system that automatically adjusts to road conditions. This motorhome is powered by Volvo's hybrid turbocharged inline-six engine paired with an electric motor that delivers seamless acceleration and whisper-quiet performance. The regenerative braking system helps keep your batteries charged on the go. It's eco-friendly yet powerful enough to handle cross-country trips with ease. Driving this motorhome doesn't feel like maneuvering a bus. It's smooth, responsive, and supported by Volvo's semi-autonomous pilot assist system. Once you step inside, it's a different world. The interior is designed with natural materials, soft ambient lighting, and intelligent use of space. You're welcomed by a large lounge area with swivel captain chairs, a retractable 55-inch OLED screen, and surround sound speakers integrated into the walls. The floor is made from recycled Scandinavian oak, adding warmth and elegance to the space. The smart climate control system keeps the temperature just right, and noise insulation ensures total peace and quiet. The kitchen area includes an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a dual-zone refrigerator, and self-cleaning countertops. Machine built right in. Next to it, a fold-out dining table with wireless charging pads lets you eat, work, or relax in complete comfort. The bathroom is unlike anything you'd expect in an RV. It features a rainfall shower with mood lighting, a water-saving smart toilet, and a heated mirror with touch controls. The rear bedroom offers a full queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, built-in massaging functions, and automatic blinds that adjust based on light and temperature. Overhead skylights let you stargaze at night, and there's plenty of storage tucked away in soft close compartments and drawers. The entire motorhome is managed by Volvo's integrated smart system that can be controlled through voice commands or your phone. You can monitor water levels, battery status, lane keeping assist, blind spot warning, and automated emergency braking. This motorhome offers peace of mind on every trip. For those who love off-grid living, it includes roof-mounted solar panels, a 200-gallon freshwater tank, and a fully automated waste management system. You can stay powered and comfortable for days without needing to hook up at a campsite. Thanks for tuning in to Honest Auto Wheels.